Hey everyone, Maya here with Spot Stuff. You know, from dry cleaner bills to buying new clothes, grease stains can really take a toll on your pocketbook. But not anymore, thanks to Spot Stuff, a revolutionary brand new oil and grease stain removing powder. So stay tuned and I'll share with you my money and time saving tricks. Spot Stuff. Taking the spots out of your stuff. So I mentioned how Spot Stuff can help you save on your dry cleaning bill. And the way we can help you do that is if you have a stained item that has that oil and grease spot, like this sweatshirt for example, you can apply the Spot Stuff powder directly to the stain and set it and forget it, as I like to say, or just leave it for a few minutes on top of the laundry. Then when you're ready to do your next load of laundry, throw it in the washer with the rest of your clothes, and when you take it out, it's gonna be good as new. This is laundry safe, so it's not gonna, get on your other clothes or do anything weird to your washing machine. It's totally safe and eco-friendly to use as well. And another cool thing about Spot Stuff is that you can use it also to get rid of sweat stains. So on the underarm, ring around the collar, it's great for stuff like that. So we're really gonna save you a lot at the dry cleaner. Of course, you can still go to the dry cleaner if you'd like, but if you get those stains out first, it's more affordable to dry clean your clothes in that case. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.